Hey, so today I'm going to be making a service to basically monitor the uptime for Waymark clients who have their websites running and want to ensure that it stays running 24/7 and nothing ever, goes down, because a lot of the times sites will go down, and that means, lost customers or users, which nobody wants. So we're going to be creating this service using CloudWatch. Did I already have it up? I think I did. We're going to be using CloudWatch. Okay, so essentially the reasoning behind using CloudWatch is that they have an option to use something called synthetics. And so from what I understand, synthetics are just like lightweight scripts that allow you to essentially check your API endpoints and to make sure that any services that you have running actually work. So they're like synthetic users essentially accessing your whatever you want to monitor and see if it actually works, and then let you know if there's a problem before somebody actually visits your site, for example, and finds just like a broken site, or it's not up and running. So the first thing that we're going to do is create Canary. And then from here, we're going to do heartbeat monitoring, because that's going to actually run a page, a single URL, and just make sure that the site is up. And now down here, we have to give it a name. So I'm just going to call this Waymark Uptime. Okay. No uppercase letters. Fair enough. And we'll just monitor the Waymark site for right now. Should we take screenshots? I'm kind of wondering if this is going to play or have any effect on cost. So I'm going to research that real fast. So essentially here we have an AI overview that pulled from Amazon's documentation. And there isn't any cost associated directly with having your Canary run take a screenshot, but it will be stored in your bucket. So as space gets taken up, that cost does end up being factored in. So we can actually manage that. It says right here, by just managing S3 lifecycle policies. So I think that we're not going to do a lot of runs. It's fine to do screenshots just to test it out. But it's always important to check that kind of stuff if you don't know, and it just kind of pops up like, hey, maybe this might incur some kind of cost. It's good to double check. So right here you can see the script editor, and right now I'm going to leave the script just how it is. I was considering maybe altering it a little bit so that we can also test and ensure that everything on mobile is also working, but for right now we're going to leave it how it is. So it's scheduled to run continuously every 5 minutes, start immediately after creation, and we're going to keep it taking screenshots. So it's good. Then for tags, I think it's important to use tags, and AWS in their white paper also suggests applying the same tag set to every resource. So let's go with, I ended up just making the key project and then the value Waymark uptime monitor. So let's just go and create the Canary now. Okay, so the Canary was created successfully. Right up at the top, I got this success message, and actually it's saying Canary's 1, but initially it was 0. I had to go up here and refresh. Now see, I think it's still just 1, because I have it set for every 5 minutes. So if you're following along and you didn't see any Canaries and it was 0, just come up here, refresh, and you should be able to find it. So we have 2 points up now. This one's from 704, this one's 709, and that's about it. So probably tomorrow I'm going to build the alert channel using SNS console, which stands for Simple Notification Service, and that should allow me to get notifications if a site ever is down. And yeah, I'll post that next.